Good morning and welcome to English language class. I hope you are fit and fine, taking care of yourself, obeying your parents, washing your hands every now and then, and taking precautions. You must be wondering, Miss is always reminding us with all this. Yes, you need a reminder every now and then, children. You need to take precautions and fight against COVID-19. I hope you all are watching the videos, doing the assignments and attending online classes. So many things have come up together, isn't it? But it's nice to be busy, children, because empty mind is a devil's workshop. Our today's topic is Comprehension Passage, which is also known as Unseen Passage. What do you mean by the word comprehension, children? Comprehension means the ability to understand something. And it is also known as unseen passage because you have never come across this passage before. It's something new given to you. It is not from your text and it is not from your syllabus or from your portion. So children, I'm going to read this out for you. Please pay attention as I read it out. A comprehension exercise consists of a passage upon which questions are set to test the student's ability to understand the content of the given text and to infer information and meaning from it. Here are a few hints which you have to keep in mind when you attend a comprehension passage. Number 1, read the passage fairly quickly to get the general idea. So you need to just have a fast reading just to have a rough idea. The second point, read again a little slowly so as to know the details. Now we have the third point here. Study the questions thoroughly, turn to the relevant portions of the passage, read them again and then rewrite them in your own words and phrases neatly and precisely. The fourth point, use complete sentences. Then the fifth one, if you are asked to give the meanings of any words and phrases, you must express the idea in your own words. Children, now I want you to open page number 113 in your English language book, that is Joyful Learning. We are just going to do one example of comprehension passage from your book, and I'm going to read this passage for you, and as I read, I want you to listen to me. So open page number 113. Let me read out the passage for you. Dolphins are very important animals. They seem to love humans as much as we love them. Dolphins are curious, just like humans, and they form strong bonds with the members of the group. There are 43 different types of dolphins that are known to us. Out of these, 38 types are found in seas and oceans, and 5 types are found in rivers. Dolphins are very interesting animals. They can often be seen leaping out of water. Some of them can leap even high. They have to come to the surface of the water to breathe. Dolphins have 100 teeth, but they do not use their teeth to eat. They use their teeth to catch fish and then they swallow it. Children, I have read this passage for you because I just wanted to show you this example. Whenever you get a comprehension passage, or you call it an unseen passage, the teacher is not going to read it out for you. You know that. You have to read it on your own. So do silent reading 2 to 3 times thoroughly and try to understand the passage and then attempt the questions that are given below. So children, there are so many questions on this page, that is page 113 I told you, and I want you to just pause the video and do this exercise on your own. After you finish doing your exercise, you can refer to the answers which I am going to show you on the board, and I am going to read it out for you. Okay, now let's look at the first one, that is complete the following sentences in your own words. Number 1. Dolphins dolphins use their teeth to catch fish. Number 2, dolphins come to the surface to breathe. Now Roman number 2, find words in the passage that mean the same as. Number 1, willing to know. It is curious. Number 2, relation. It is bonds. Now number 3, give the antonyms of. Antonym means opposite words. Number 1, strong. Antonym of strong is weak. Number 2, interesting. Antonym of interesting is boring or uninteresting. The third one, known. Antonym of known is unknown or secret. You can write any one. Number 4 is surface. Antonym of surface is inside or interior. Now we have Roman number 4. The first question here. How are dolphins similar to humans? Let me read out the answer for you and you can check it in your notebook what you have written. Dolphins are curious just like humans and they form strong bonds with the members of the group. Question number 2. How many types of dolphins do we know of? Where are they found? Here is the answer. There are 43 different types of dolphins that are known to us. Out of these, 38 types are found in seas and oceans and 5 types are found in rivers. Now we have the third question here on the board. Let me read it out for you. What do dolphins do to breathe? Here is the answer. Dolphins come to the surface of the water to breathe. Now we have the fourth question, that is the last question. How do dolphins use their teeth? Here is the answer. Dolphins use their teeth to catch fish. I hope children you have got all your answers correct. If you have any answer wrong, you can do the corrections by looking at the board here, children. So children, you need to develop your comprehension skills to be good in your comprehension so that you can understand it better. How can you develop your comprehension skills, children? By reading. You read and read. I've already told you, read storybooks, read newspapers so that you come across new words, you learn, pick up new vocabulary and you can interpret meanings on your own so that you're good at it. I hope the topic is clear with you, children. So there are so many comprehension passages in your book. Just read those passages twice, thrice and then answer the questions that follow in your book. So that's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice time.